Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish or remove a product from your Teachable school? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove a product from your Teachable account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you offer different digital products that maybe aren't relevant anymore. So you want to go ahead and unpublish it or remove it from the public. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove or unpublish a product you were selling, here on the left side, you're going to click on digital downloads. All right, once you've done that, you're going to see all the different digital products you were selling. You can see I have these two. And there's actually a couple of different ways you can go ahead and go about this. The first and easiest way is there's three little dots next to the product. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you get these three options. So in order to remove it, you can either delete or unpublish. The difference between those two is that if you delete it, that means you can't duplicate the product in the future, and you also can't republish it in the future. So if you feel like you might use that product, or you want to use it as a framework to create a new product, you probably just want to go ahead and unpublish it. However, if you know you're not going to sell this product ever again, and you're not going to use it as a framework to create a new product, go ahead and delete it. Another way you can do this is you can click here on the name of the product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu here on the left. Click on information. Once you're here in information, you can unpublish here on the top right with this red button, or if you scroll to the bottom, you can go ahead and delete the digital product as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or unpublish a product in your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.